Celebrating success, the power of to a job well done. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its nuances. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase that's not only common but carries a lot of weight in both personal and professional contexts. To a job well done. This phrase is a toast to success, achievement, and the satisfaction that comes with completing something with excellence. Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and the context in which you might encounter or use it. To a job well done is a celebratory expression used to acknowledge and commend someone's effort, skill, or achievement in completing a task or project effectively and satisfactorily. It's akin to raising a glass in someone's honor, signifying respect, admiration, and appreciation for their hard work. This phrase encapsulates the essence of recognizing achievements and the importance of celebrating milestones, no matter how big or small. Let's break down the phrase. To is used here in the sense of dedicating or directing attention to something or someone. A job refers to any task, work, or project that someone has undertaken. Well done is an adjectival phrase that means executed with skill, competence, or excellence. When combined, to a job well done is a compact yet powerful expression that celebrates the successful completion of a task, acknowledging the effort and quality put into it. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various scenarios, both formal and informal. Here are a few examples. In the workplace, it's a great way to celebrate a team's or an individual's achievement on a project, enhancing morale and encouraging a culture of recognition. Among friends and family, it can be used to toast personal achievements like graduating, completing a challenging task, or reaching a personal goal. In written communication, while more common in speech, it can also be used in written form, such as in a congratulatory note or email. To use it effectively, ensure the context is appropriate for celebration and that your tone conveys genuine appreciation and respect. Recognizing and celebrating achievements is crucial for motivation, self-esteem, and fostering a positive environment. To a job well done is not just a phrase. It's a reflection of a supportive culture that values hard work and dedication. It reminds us that our efforts are noticed, appreciated, and worth celebrating. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and importance of the phrase, to a job well done. We hope this video has not only helped you understand its significance but also inspired you to use it in your daily life to celebrate achievements, big or small. Remember, recognizing the efforts of others can make a world of difference in their lives and yours. Until next time, keep learning, and here's to all your future successes. To a job well done.